2001 Ford F250 7.3 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel, 67,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. Really unique 7.3 diesel that we got for you guys today. This is a 2001 Ford F250 extended cab factory 4-wheel drive truck. It is a documented 67,420 actual miles. This is a unique setup, one, because it is a 7.3 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel, which is the best Ford motor ever made, if you ask me. That's just my personal preference when it comes to diesel motors. This is the best motor Ford ever put together. For the older diesels, it just doesn't get any better than this. And this one runs absolutely excellent. It really is a stock style motor transmission combo. So it is the original numbers matching 7.3, backed by the 4R100 automatic overdrive transmission, power steering, power disc brakes like you'd expect. Factory heat and AC work exactly like they should as well. AC is nice and cold, heat blows hot. Exhaust system sounds good. You have that really kick-ass sound in 7.3 up front, and then you have a good exhaust note coming out the back. We're gonna let it get a little heat in the motor here before we really get on it. This truck has a unique setup. So it has the GT de Elegant conversion done to it. It's on the window sticker. It was like a $5,000 add-on. You obviously got the two-tone paint on the exterior. And then on the interior, you have this really nice leather interior. The only problem on the interior is you have a little tear on the seat back right behind your back on the lower portion of the driver's seat here. It's like a little V-shaped little tear in the leather. Could easily be fixed, really minor, and then a couple other little wear spots, but overall the interior is extremely clean. Headliner, visor, overhead console, dash, upper and lower looks great. Carpet's in awesome condition. Same thing with the floor mats. Door panels look good. Steering wheel's in great condition. You do have an aftermarket, I think it's a trailer brake controller there. Yeah, it's a trailer brake controller mounted up under the dash, and then you have your factory 4-wheel drive set up on the floor. You have your center fold-down seat here, so you can put 6 people in here if you want to. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. All of your gauges are clear and easy to read. Still has your factory stereo with the CD changer. All your plastics, cup holders, glove box, center console, all that stuff works exactly like it should, is in great condition. As far as the does it work section goes for this 2001 F250, the rear window is a sliding rear window, but it's kind of like off the track a little bit. And it only opens kind of on one side, so it needs a little bit of assistance there, a little bit of service on that sliding rear window. The mechanism does work, but again, the one side is not really wanting to work. It's kind of wonky. So a little bit of repair there on the back glass, but again, it's closed now, and there's no issues if you don't care to open it. And then the speedometer reads a little bit off, like 5 miles an hour, just due to the tire size on the truck. You will find a screenshot of the does it work section in the additional media area on the website pcclassiccars.com. Click on this vehicle in the inventories tab, scroll to the very bottom of the page, and you'll see the additional media section. That'll have the clean Carfax, the auto check, photos of the motor numbers, pictures of the little imperfections, and all that extra goodies that'll be in that additional media section. As you can see, it runs and drives like a brand new truck. 0 complaints mechanically. Very strong motor. Transmission shifts exactly like you should. It's a 67,000 miles 7.3 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. It is not even broken in yet. This truck's got another 250, 300,000 miles in it all day long. On the underneath, it's great. Floors are awesome. Interrockers, pinch welds, bottom side of the cab, bottom side of the bed, the frame itself. 0 complaints from it. All the suspension looks good as well. You have a little surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but that's super minimal. So really no complaints on the bottom of this pickup. On the exterior, it is the factory Harvest Gold exterior with the two-tone that you got with the GT de Elegant package. The paint quality is great. You have some little scuffs and little imperfections here and there, some smaller little touch-ups, a few little dings. There's a small little scuff on the driver's side fender over here, and then other just little miscellaneous ones around the truck, but nothing to write home about. It shows really well. You have the Mickey Thompson Baja tires that are 2023 date code. They don't look like they have any miles on them at all. Really nice wheels. You have the bed cover in the back. You have the liner on the inside of the bed. You have the tubular side steps. You have the awesome brush guard up front. Just a tough and a good looking pickup. The front chin spoiler for the larger tires has been trimmed on the edges. Just a little disclaimer there. For the small imperfections on the truck, you will see photos of that in the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. But it's really minimal stuff, nothing to even, again, really note. It's a 20-some-year-old truck, so you are going to get a few little things, but it's a lower mileage example, so it really represents nice and clean. As far as your suspension goes, all checks out exactly like what you'd want a lower mileage suspension to check out like. It drives like a new truck. It's very comfortable. Does not beat you to death in any way, shape, or form. As far as your creature comforts, you have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt and cruise, and all that stuff functions properly. Glass is clear and easy to see out of. A couple very small little nicks in the windshield. It's all superficial stuff. Your side windows roll up and down like they should. Again, we touched on the back glass earlier in the video, so a little bit of work there on that sliding rear window, but the likelihood of you ever opening and closing that is slim to none. Seats are very comfortable. It is a power adjustable driver's seat over here. So you can slide it forward, slide it back, tilt it up, tilt it down, and then you have your recline for the seat back here. Really enjoyable truck to drive. It's something I would cruise around in every single day. These 7.3s are just legendary motors. They go forever. Side windows look good. Or side mirror, excuse me, and your rear view mirror also is clear and easy to see out of. Inside the bed in the back, again, you have the liner back there, the Line X, and then you have a removable fifth wheel. You can put the ball in there if you want to, if you do want to hook up a fifth wheel hitch to it. But inside the bed doesn't look like it's really ever been used. It's super clean back there. And then when you pop the hood, it's all factory OE looking in the engine compartment. Batteries check out good. Charging system, fluids, all your wear items, your serviceable stuff looks good. It is the original numbers matching motor like you'd expect a lower mileage truck. It really pulls well too. You can do some simple things to a 7.3 to get a whole bunch more power out of it, but in the stock application like this, they still run great. This is a daily driver style truck for Michael. I would keep this thing and drive it every single day. Load up my dog in the back and just cruise to and from the shop. This is an awesome truck. I love the stance on it. I like the tire. I'm usually a BFG white letter tire guy, but the Mickey Thompsons have a tough look to it. And outside of the sliding back glasses and then a couple tiny little imperfections in the paint, there's nothing from really me to note on this one. It's a great truck. You guys have it. This is a 2001 Ford F250 7.3 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel with 67,000 miles and the GT De Elegant package from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out all of the killer content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. Catch you guys on the next video.